Hello, it's senior day, we're at senior breakfast, and they're playing the saddest music they possibly could. I don't know why, but yeah. I'll have to film it when we get back, but the hallway like into the gym was decorated. It's really sad actually, but I have to do my eyebrows.
I'm hungry. I'm talking to one more thing. My hair.
That's what I was just gonna say. What is going on? I don't know what the f is going on. She was like, can everyone take their seats? And then they're not even talking.
I want to welcome you to the class of 2024 Senior Breakfast at Valley Fair Day.
You fumbled. Oh, I realized that I did not take my antidepressants this morning. My bad. So, I got eggs or whatever the hell that is, fruit and pancakes.
Looks like ham.
Raina got fruit and sausage and bacon and eggs and hash browns.
You guys are the very last class, the final class to graduate from South Campus. Congratulations. We're really proud of you. That's super awesome. It's one thing you're going to learn every way.
All right, was the word you're thinking superpower? No? Nailed it! You don't have my favorite table, it's hard to do. It's where I take $20 bill. That's pretty easy. You're prepared for marriage. All right. That's true. Before I get to it, though, I want you to do me a favor. Look at this good looking group and stick out your tongue. Thanks. Sorry, I hate to taste this stuff. You don't seem to be nervous at all. You're confident. All right, you want to keep that one or change? Keep it, so get rid of this one. You're positive. Yeah, okay. You sure? Okay. It's not really even going in. I don't know what it's telling me. Are you sure? All right. Really? I'm gonna leave that comment to your table, but that was funny. All right. Inappropriate, but funny. All right. Wow. You seem to be totally cool. You don't care. You're that confident? I think you can great. Go ahead, rip it open and show it's got your name on your signed $20 bill. If for no other reason than him, not you, I think he deserves a nice round of applause for coming up. Show. It's back to 20. But it does say it's good for one bag of chocolate. Get all chocolate. You know what the expression is? Yes. If you tell me the president's on 100, I'll give you one. He's not a president, you're right. But it's a good one. All right, thank you so much for playing. I hope it doesn't pop. You shouldn't have to plug your ears. You may. You think that's big enough? Again, my job is to find your car. I'm going to remove my microphone in just a moment. We're going to find it. But we're going to find it without the use of my hands. I need one more thing. This is just for all those who believe I have one. Voice carries. Yes, there it is. This is just for safety. You know, normally I entertain an entire room at one time, but today I'm doing little pockets, and I appreciate it. I like that joke. All right, here it is. You may want to take one step to your right. Without the use of my hands, we will find your part. Now, the reason you have this thing, you have it for a reason. If I need you to, I want you to pop the balloon. Now, the only reason I need you to is if I'm lying on the stage and you don't see much movement. That would be a good time to pop the balloon. There. Finding your car without my hands. Sorry, I'm looking at courage. Golden 4 times with my tongue. Now you know why you have a cemetery like this. The only way this is going to be cool though is if the card that I found happens to be your card with your name on it. Is it? It is! Give her a big round!
Ew, why does my camera look like that? We're here, guys. We're here, guys.
All clear. 1, 2, 3, 2.
I just paid $20 for a footlong from Subway, but I'm starving. So, what did you get?
Chicken strips and fries that are very salty.
We've been in the line for Renegade?
Like 45 minutes.
45 minutes. And we haven't moved from this spot in like 4 minutes.
Yeah.
And it's 80 degrees outside. And humid as fuck. We finally made it to the fan. I don't know if you can even hear me, but we finally made it. This better be worth it. That was so fast. I have a headache because I hit Brandon's shoulder with my head after the first drop. Oh my god. Hey guys, we stopped in an arcade because it felt cooler in here, but it's really not. Anyway, I hit the 1,000 ticket jackpot because I'm just amazing. It's slowly counting up. has to get to 1,000. So, yeah.
I just threw it.
We're almost there, guys. It's been like 4 minutes.
Oh, it's been longer than 4 minutes. Not Adrian.
That is so funny.
I'm like, wait, I know you. You're like my best.
The sun was blocked for a little bit, but it's back. And I have a headache from squinting all day. And on Renegade, I literally smacked my head into Raina's shoulder. Instant headache. So.
Okay, temperature's starting to go down a little bit.
We still have to go on Wild Thing, but I don't think it's running because someone threw up on it.
That's messed up. I'm so mad.
I kind of want to go on swings again, but I don't know.
Let's see if they're in line right here.
We just went on the swings again, and now we're gonna run and see if Wild Thing is
Our
open
goal
again.
was to not scream at all, and we didn't scream, so goal accomplished.
Wild Thing was closed. We went to go on a second time, and someone threw up again. So we're gonna go see. We're gonna go see if it's open again, if there's a line. We have like 10 minutes before we have to leave, so. Okay, update. I'm so sunburned. Do you see this? Wild Thing is still not running, and the line's really long. Like, people are waiting for it. So we're gonna go on the swings one more time. Which one are they on?
They're on this one. Oh, Amanda screamed so loud.
Oh. Do it again. ASMR. That is a wrap on Valley Fair. I'm burnt.
It's time for the ride back.
I'm gonna crash. Yeah, we're both gonna take naps. It's like a 40-minute drive. And yeah. Hello.
Lucy, is that your car? Yes, that's my sister. Oh. She walked from her driver's ed here. We did bingo today at lunch.
I'm glad that I look as dead as I feel. We're back home at South. We're waiting for Raina's sister. And then senior day will be a wrap. It's sprinkling and it's so humid out here. It's crazy. Also, hold on. I've been parking the teacher lot, which you're not supposed to do that, but there's so many students that park in the teacher lot, like it's not even funny. So, oh, hello. The rain does actually feel kind of good because anyway, that is a wrap on senior day and this vlog. So surprisingly, I did not forget to make a closing to this vlog, which I usually do. So subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all the things. There'll be a link below anyway. So see you later.